WOLFBOX MF100. The air-blasting beast that obliterates dust in seconds. Say goodbye to weak, overpriced canned air that runs out in minutes. The WOLFBOX MF100 electric air duster is a brutal dust-blasting powerhouse with a supercharged 150,000 RPM brushless motor that kicks dust, crumbs, and pet hair to the curb in seconds. With 3 adjustable speeds and a mind-blowing 45 meters per second wind velocity, this cordless air duster leaves no speck of dust standing, whether on your keyboard, PC, car, or even camping gear. It's the hurricane in your hand that cleans what others can't. This isn't just an air duster, it's a multitasking beast. The 5 precision nozzles and 2 cleaning brushes let you tackle every corner of your electronics, car, home, and outdoor gear with military precision. Need to inflate an air mattress, pool, or start a campfire? No problem, this air duster doubles as a high-speed inflator. From delicate electronics to rugged outdoor cleaning, the WOLFBOX MF100 handles it all. Say hello to precision cleaning without the waste, because who wants to spend money on weak, disposable cans? Stop throwing your hard-earned cash into the trash with single-use compressed air cans. The WOLFBOX MF100 is rechargeable and reusable over 500 times, making it a smart, cost-effective, and eco-friendly choice. Built from high-durability materials, this bad boy doesn't just last, it outlasts. The Type-C fast charging system gets you fully powered in just 2.5 hours, delivering up to 100 minutes of continuous runtime on low speed. That's hundreds of cleaning sessions without spending a single extra dime. Weighing just 0.66 pounds, this compact yet powerful duster is perfect for home, office, travel, and outdoor use. Toss it in your backpack, hang it on your wrist with the included lanyard, and take it anywhere. And don't let its size fool you, this thing is rugged, impact-resistant, and built for heavy-duty performance. It even features intelligent auto shut-off protection to prevent overheating, because safety matters. No more cheap, flimsy air dusters, this one's built to go the distance. Why waste money on weak, disposable air cans that barely last a minute? The WOLFBOX MF100 electric air duster is the ultimate dust-busting, money-saving, planet-friendly upgrade you need. Super powerful, long-lasting, versatile, and portable, it's the only cleaning tool you'll ever want. Whether you're a gamer, techie, DIYer, or clean freak, this air duster will blow your mind and your dust away. Click Add to Cart now and experience cleaning at 150,000 RPM.